Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk, you know it. And as you can see, I am at Central Station on this Friday morning. It's around 8:30 in the morning, I would say. So as you can see, it's quite busy here at Central Station. Everyone's going to work and school. And there's even a few tourists here and there. And the reason I started inside is because it is what I would describe today as nasty weather. Yes. It is cold, it is rainy, it is windy. It's like damp. So yeah, not a super duper day to walk, but you know how I roll, people. I'll do it anyway for the channel. Keep on moving. So let's make our way out, but still let's try to shelter a little bit, you know, for the rain and stuff. So let's see what we're gonna do today. I haven't really made a plan, except for the fact that we're just gonna walk downtown here. Because, you know, in downtown Stockholm, there's a lot of things like here where you can walk under and things like that. So, yeah, let's do that for a little while. I hope everyone's doing great. Let me know if you got any plans for the weekend. So, yeah, this is the taxi stand here in front of Central Station. Got our 24-hour open. No, actually, I think it's 23-hour open McDonald's across the street. Yeah, let's go to the other side there. And let's see what we can find. The temperature isn't actually that low. It's not about that, but it's more that, you know, it's kind of the whole vibe. It's a cold vibe. Does that make any sense? No, I'm not sure if it does, but you know how it is. It's sometimes more the humidity and things like that that make it feel cold. And the rain and the wind and things like that. Alrighty, let's see if we can cross the street here. Yes, let's go. So let me see what I should do. Shall I go here straight ahead? No, I'll go this way. And I go up the stairs here and I make my way to Sergels. Yes, let's do that. Maybe I even go through the mall so I don't get too wet. It was funny, everybody seemed to be worried about me that I got wet getting off the hill with Tante Lunden. That's all good, people. So yeah, I would say if you would like to visit Stockholm, right? And if there's one time of the year where you should not visit Stockholm, it is now, October and November. Why? Because it looks like this. I mean, it's still nice, but I would still prefer any other time of the year because the Christmas vibe hasn't really started yet, right? So the real Christmas kind of feeling, the Christmas decorations and everything will start soon. And of course, once the snow and the darkness is really here, you get that really cozy feeling, but this is just the time before that. So yeah. Sorry. By the way, I like the little commercial they have on the tram. Looks pretty cool. Although I don't really drink sodas. It's a nice advertisement, I must admit. Oh yes, we spotted our first deer across the street. It's over there. As you know, the regular viewers, you know what's up. Klister Petter is having his rådjur stickers everywhere along the city. We've probably seen more than 50 of them in my videos. See, so this is why I'm downtown here, because you can kind of shelter under the roof here. It is nice. So here, yeah, that's maybe good, some little tourist information. If you just come from Central Station and you want to go, as most tourists do, go to Djurgården, you take these trams here. That's see the people across the street there. So these trams go to Skansen, Gröna Lund, yeah, things like this. Speaking about Gröna Lund, it's now, of course, Halloween's coming up. So this week, which is also the, I don't know what it's called in English, but Höstlov, it's like the fall holiday, yeah, as you can translate it, I guess, in Sweden. So the kids are free from school. And at Gröna Lund, they have a special Halloween theme. So if you're really into Halloween and scary things, yeah, this is really the time to go to Gröna Lund, which is the big Tivoli here in Stockholm. But as you expect, not really my thing, people. I don't know why, but this whole dressing up thing and celebrations has never been my cup of tea. So not Christmas, not Halloween, not Easter, not anything really. That's just not my thing. All right, so let's go in here and cross the street. And let's pass Sergels Torg, aka Plattan, as we also call it here in Stockholm. The local people usually say Plattan. They're like, oh, let's meet at Plattan. They know, like, the big square over there. So it's not just a tourist meeting point, it's also for the locals. It's a good starting point, right? If you want to go from here anywhere in the city, yeah, let's meet at Plattan, folks. It used to be a big thing. There was a lot of dodgy things going on, a lot of like drug dealing and stuff like that. But it got a lot better. But there's still quite a few weirdos hanging around here. All right, let's go down the stairs. Oh. What's with the e-bike over there, people? We've got the city theater, Stadsteatern, classic Stockholm building. So yeah, these e-bikes are very nice to rent, but don't do what this person did. Don't throw them just on the floor like that. Not cool. Expensive equipment. So yeah, when the sun is out, you know, people are like sunbathing here and things like this. They did so much to make this look better and give it a nicer look and feel, you know, with the lights and everything. I don't know. I wish this was a live video and I would ask you guys, shall I go under or over? Oh, not sure. Dilemmas. I'm going up. Although it's raining, I don't think there's so much to see downstairs because the shops are still closed and everything. You know what? I usually go straight ahead here. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go here. Here you can see the colors. Well, you can decide if it's the Ukrainian colors or the Swedish colors. They're kind of the same. Anyway, blue and yellow. Not really sure what the idea behind it is, but I can imagine it's to support, you know, the Ukrainian people. Because that's quite a big thing here. Alright, let's not make this political. Let's walk around Stockholm. It's always a bit tricky for me because, you know, like in my daily life, I am a person that has an opinion about all kind of things. Just like everyone else, right? I'm a human being. But sometimes I feel so free on my channel that I'm very tempted to give my opinion about all kind of matters, but I always, just in time, I'm always able to stop, you know, stop giving opinions about things, because that's not what this is about. So yeah, let's just stick to commenting on what I see and what's happening in the city and things like that. But you know how it is, it's not always easy. Because once I would say one thing about a certain hot topic, and then everyone will start discussions and everyone will start assaulting each other in the comment section and in the chat. That's always how it goes. But lucky enough, I have a very supportive chat gang with a lot of reasonable people, actually, so that feels really good. And I must say, like, our comment section and also the chat is one of the most positive places I've literally seen on the internet. Like, every time someone comes in and says something slightly critical, either about me, my channel, Stockholm, Sweden, or whatever, the chat can straight away goes and spread some love. So that's a really nice feeling. So yeah, shout out to the chat gang. I like this little walk. It's a bit random. So it looks like I'm gonna end up at Kungsgatan now. That wasn't the plan, but we'll see. See how it goes. So the shops open at 10 o'clock in Sweden. At least here in the inner city. Sometimes in the weekends, or especially in the suburbs, maybe some places open 11, like on a Sunday or whatever. Maybe they have a little see, like for example this shop here, it says here, see, Sunday 11 to 6. It's good, so the people that are working there get a little break, right? Maybe they had a few, you know, a bottle of wine on a Saturday night, so it's nice that they can start a little later on the Sunday. Game shop, I love that. I love game shop. So yeah, for the people who don't know, like, I love computer games. Like, I don't actually have time to play them. So this feels maybe a bit contradictory, but yeah, I do like playing them. Especially like Nintendo, you know, those easy games, Mario Kart, Mario, Sonic, things like this. But you know, because I have a busy life, I take care of my 2 kids and things like that, I don't really have the time to do it. But occasionally I do play on the Nintendo Switch with my oldest son together, you know, when he gets stuck in certain levels and things like that, because he loves it. But yeah, in general I don't really have the time. Which is good, because when you're a 42-year-old man, you just spend all your days playing computer games, right? So, yeah. I'm kind of happy I don't have the time. Because if I would play. That tree looks a bit sad, doesn't it? This is a typical end of October vibe here. Oxtorsgatan. Alrighty. I thought she was gonna hit me with a little e-scooter. Alright, let's see, just for your reference, where we are. Norrtull, straight ahead, Tekniska högskolan, Rådmansgatan, Fridhemsplan, Central Station, Östermalmstorg. So, you know what? I probably go 1 block down and then I kind of go around here, because I don't really feel like going Kungsgatan today. So basically on the left we have Hötorget. And here we have Kungsgatan and also the other entrance of Hötorget metro station here. But let's go a little bit straight ahead here on Sveavägen and then go around the block. So maybe we can go up the Geringsgatan up there on those above those arches there, but let's see where we end up. You never know with me, right? I probably still can get lost here. No, actually no, not here. That will be impressive if I get lost 100 meters from Central Station. That will be a typical Daniel thing though. Yay, green. Okay. We're doing a little bit of everything today. A little bit of Sveavägen, Kungsgatan. Actually, I haven't been on Drottninggatan, but yeah. Alright, some music at the background. Some party music. So I hope I don't get a copyright strike. So... Appelbergsgatan, alright. Let's go in here. Let's go up the hill. Oh, what are these guys doing? Building something? Oh, I can feel this in my calves. I don't know if it shows on camera. This is pretty steep. It's funny because I remember last time I was here, I was saying exactly the same thing. And that was probably with Olof. This is nice. Cool. Anyway, let's go up here. I can kind of feel my left knee still. Have to be careful. Yes. So I do know what I'm doing. Exactly what I thought. Malmskillsgatan. So now we're above these thingies here. Like a little bridge. I'm not liking this weather at all. Well, I'm not going to be cranky about it. Oh, nice. Well, actually, they do have... is this already Christmas lightning? Looks like it, like the beginning of it anyway. So I'm really curious, because as you all remember, I did a Christmas light walk yesterday, and it was not yesterday, last year. No, that wasn't yesterday. Then I have really a bad memory. Anyway, last year, and what Olof was pointing out to me the other day, that maybe because with the current like energy crisis that we have, you know, electricity costs a lot. So I don't know if they still do it this year, because these Christmas lights and all that, you know, they cost a fortune, and especially now. So I don't know if they do less lightning or if they do the whole thing but like shorter. So instead of 1 month they do it 2 weeks or 1 week. Yeah, not really sure. So that's quite interesting. Okay, let's cross the street here, because I'm curious at that building in wood there over there. Let's go there. Oxtorget is called. Oh, there's another deer here, but it's almost gone. Well, let's go here. Let's take a left. I love the randomness of this walk. Like, I'm going everywhere. That's a nice word of the day. Wait. Here it says smakupplevelse. Smak means taste, upplevelse means experience. So it's like a tasting experience. So it's basically the sensation of how something tastes. Smakupplevelse. It's a nice word of the day. I haven't been that great with word of the days. But yeah, I'm trying to get back into it. You know, there's a lot to remember when I'm walking around here. You know, like it's walking, talking, filming, trying to think about where am I walking. That's also a thing. It's just not walking, you also have to go somewhere. And as you all know, English isn't my first language either, so yeah, to try to come up with certain words in my head as well, which isn't always easy. So now we're basically heading into the direction of, oh wait, what's this? Oh, I like this artwork. That's cool. Anyway, there's another one over there. Let's check it out. I'm going to take a picture of this with my phone. Sorry if I'm... Oh, does that work like that? That's quite funny. Sorry people, this is a bit weird, but anyway. Trying to take a picture. That was a prime example that man can... I can't multitask. That was funny. Okay, anyway, I tried to take a picture of that thing. I was like, oh, that would be nice for my like Instagram and stuff. Speaking about my Instagram, I would really appreciate if you guys go into my Instagram and follow me, because at this point I have like 965 followers, and it would be nice if I can go to 1,000. Would be nice. So I'm uploading some pictures and stuff there from my walks and some stories as well, especially Instagram stories I really like. So yeah, I put the link to my Instagram in both the comments and in the chat. So yeah, go and check me out there. And let's see if I actually manage to upload that picture on there later on. Let's see what happens. So we made a nice big circle around the city center here. Now we're walking back into the direction of like Sergels and even Kungsträdgården, which is here to the left. So I didn't get wet actually. I was expecting it to be way worse, but exactly while I'm walking here, it's actually kind of stopped raining. There's a slight drizzle, but nothing too bad. Sorry folks, this is maybe not the best walk I've ever done. But that's how it goes. Can be fantastic every day, can it? Alright, there's some music again, but that's because we are passing the Nordiska Company at the shopping mall. Oh, I said it wrong again. It's not a shopping mall. Kind of is, but yeah, because you can shop. Alright, so we have walked for 25 minutes, so let's take a right here. Go back to Plattan to round up the video. Nice little stroll down the city. Mango. It says mango on the sign. Gets me hungry. I have had breakfast. I have a sandwich, but I feel like it's time to eat again. Because you get actually these walks get me really hungry. It maybe doesn't look like a lot, like a half an hour walk, but it does get me really hungry. I've been eating better lunch, more lunch, since I've started this channel. I actually have to check out when I started my channel. I think it was in February, so in February we should exist 2 years. Pretty crazy. All right. Oh, green. No, red. Ah! Let me press the button here. Yay, green. I always get excited when it gets green, because I always realize that, you know, when you're walking and people are watching, like on the TV screen and things like that, it's not very entertaining when I just stand there and do nothing for like 2 minutes. All right, so we're back. Let's walk to the edge here. Time to take the train back home and eat. So I hope everyone has a great weekend. I will try to do another walk in the weekend now. Let's see how it goes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow my Instagram. And I see you all on the next adventure. Bye bye.